What's up, guys? So we just got done working at the San Angelo airport here in Texas, and we were working on a Cessna 206 the past 2 days. So what we did was a wash, single stage polish, and then we protected the paint with IGL Eclipse up to a 3-year guarantee. So we do travel with the when it comes to aircraft, when it comes to protecting your aircraft and getting them corrected and the paint looking really good. So if you're interested in that, check out our description. Reach out to me on our social media platforms or on my email, jrexpressdetailing@yahoo.com, which you can also find in the description below. But anyways, we're about to have the video. Hope you enjoy it. I am Ryan with JR Express Detailing, protecting the world one coating at a time.